What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. As some of you may know, I'm Paul and you are watching the Deal Finder. Today's video, we have a huge amount of clearance here at the warehouse. Let's get into it. And first up from Bellevue, we have their luxury candle set here. It does come in a 4-pack. Each candle is 12 ounces. Also, each candle has 2 wicks. They are a soy blend and they're formulated with essential oils, a type of blend. Now, I did show this in my Costco's online video the other day, Costco's online clearance. If you haven't seen that, wait till the end of this video to view it. Here at the warehouse, they're also on clearance for $14.97. So I did want to show you this very quickly before I move on. If you come across a product like this, as you know by now, I do like to show you the discontinued deals. Here's just an example. When you see the star in the top right corner, that means the product is going to be discontinued. Sometimes it does follow a manufacturer discount. We can see here this does end the 9th. After that, if there's a lot of inventory left, they're going to mark it on clearance. Here's an example of this office jet printer on clearance, and then after that, they either mark it on manager special or they can give it a bottom price, as we can see there, $34.99. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We love showing you the best deals here at Costco and Amazon every week. Also, tomorrow we have an exciting video. For the first time, we're doing BJ's Wholesale Club. We have the clearance deals available right in front of us for the PlayStation 5. We have one copy left of College 25 and Madden 25 for $19.97. You have to actually take the sign to the front register. Also, to my left, for the Nintendo Switch, we have the Lego Horizon, the video game. I did show this in my video the other day, Costco's online clearance deals. If you haven't watched that, once again, wait till the end of this video, click the link, and it'll take you directly there. Also available at Costco.com for the same exact price. Here at the warehouse, it's on clearance. At Costco.com, it's on clearance. Both of them the same price, $29.97. Now, when it comes to Costco products and clearance, I do like to do my research. To my left, we have an item from Bose. We can see it here. Now, to my far left, we have the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra. And right in front of us, we have the Bose Quiet Comfort, the regular version. Here it is. So these directly in front of me, the Bose Quiet Comfort, these have been marked discontinued. They do include a $25 gift card, IPX4 rating, so they are water and sweat resistant, noise cancellation, wireless charging, you name it. Nice headphones. They're available at Costco.com for $149.99. Here at the warehouse, $179.99, marked discontinued. What does that tell me? With this much inventory, very shortly, that product will go on clearance. We also have the Joy-Con controllers available for the Nintendo Switch. These also have been marked discontinued for quite some time now, but they're still selling at their own pace, $64.99. So we also have some A1 sauce I did want to show you. These are on clearance as well, also have been marked discontinued. Just because an item has been marked discontinued doesn't mean Costco will no longer carry them. It could mean it's out of season. It also could mean the manufacturer is coming out with a new type of packaging, such as the A1 sauce. Maybe they redesigned the bottle. Maybe they have a new packaging. $6.97. We get 2 bottles here, 20 ounces. And just very quickly, I almost forgot, I did want to show you this very quickly. These are things to keep your eyes out for when you are walking through Costco, looking out for those handwritten signs. We have the Studio Pro down from $349 to $249.99. To my left, a clearance, the Solo 4s down to $69.99. You have to physically take the sign to the front register because it's the last one available. And next time you're at the warehouse, do not forget to take a peek in the jewelry section. Look for those 97s. Anything that ends in a 97 is a clearance product, whether it's at the warehouse or Costco.com. Also, Costco's diamonds are pretty amazing. So if you're planning to pop the question, don't be scared to look at Costco.com. A lot of their diamonds are GIA certified. And very quickly, let me just plug my Instagram channel. Follow me over at Watch the Deal Finder. We are doing a giveaway next week. Don't forget about that, friends. I didn't forget myself. And let's see what else we can find in the case. For the ladies, again, next, we have the Diamond Quartz watch, $79.97 from Anne Klein. Amazing deal. For the men, don't be scared. Take a peek next time you're at the warehouse. They have some amazing deals on men's watches. Right in front of us, we have 14 karat gold hoop earrings made in Italy. Look at that price, $249.97. Great deals. If you are planning to pop the question, don't be scared. Have a look at Costco.com. A lot of their diamonds are GIA certified. And like I mentioned from my video the other day, we were going to have a look at the MacBooks here at the warehouse, $899.97. We even have the 15-inch right here, $1099.97. And also to my left, we have the MacBook Pro 14-inch, $999.97. And right below it, once again, the 14-inch Pro for $799.97. There it is, friends. Or you can head over to Costco.com. They have some more clearance on MacBooks that you might want to take a look at. And now taking a walk through the toy section, let's see what we can find. We have a little bit Squishmallows left over, but right in front of us, we have the Character Oversized Kids Floor Lounger. Now these are an official licensed product. We have the Spider-Man, we have the Bluey, and they also have the Hello Kitty if you do find that. It does include 3 different pieces, great for the ages of 6+. It's 47 by 65 inches, so it is a very good size. Machine washable cover on clearance for $49.97. Excellent price. I do believe it's going to drop even more, so if you come to the warehouse and you have as many as I do, just hold off maybe a week or two, see if it drops down. We have the Stanley bench right in front of us. I did show this in my Costco online video the other day. Amazing product. It does include 2 little other sets included. We have a birdhouse and a little forklift you can assemble. Great product, looks great. I like it a lot. I'm going to hold off. I'm going to see if it drops even more and then pick it up. I hope it drops down to $10. That would be amazing. It's $29.97. And now to my left, we have the very popular Bluey set. This is their Friends and Family Beach set. This toy was pretty much one of the last toys to arrive at the warehouse during the holiday season. You do get a total of 45 play pieces, has unbelievable reviews online, recommended for the ages of 3+. They even give you a nice theme sticker sheet that's included, $59.99 here at the warehouse, available at Costco.com for $64.99. We also have the Lego Piranha Plant from Super Mario. If you didn't know, Costco.com has some amazing Lego bundle sets. They have one right now for Fortnite, pretty new, $124.99, amazing set. If you are a fan of Legos, definitely head to Costco.com, check out what they have. Here at the warehouse, the Piranha Plant, $39.97. If you are curious if your warehouse still has any inventory left, you can always grab that item number, give them a call, see if they have any left over. And in line, we have the Metal Sports, the Easy Fold. This one is pretty cool. One-on-one arcade basketball. I love how it folds up, so compact, pretty nice, looks amazing, and the price is amazing as well. This was originally $200, then it marked down to clearance, I think at $119.97. We also have the Barrington Poker Table, which is awesome. Now this price is amazing. $99.97 on clearance, down from $200, now down to $50, manager special. How do we know it's a manager special? That 00. The poker table also 00, manager special, amazing price. Now for the past couple of Costco clearance videos, I have been mentioning Costco is going to liquidate all their gym equipment, their exercise equipment. Everything will be on clearance, and today that's the deal. Every single piece of equipment here at the warehouse is on clearance. We have the NordicTrack upright bike, but this year I do feel like a lot of their equipment is very, very low grade. Not impressed by anything at all. The only thing they had good, in my opinion, was their dumbbells. We have the NordicTrack T-Series 9 Studio Bike, $299.97. We have this walking pad right next to it for $399.97. Original price was $500. Even this treadmill, this walking pad, not the greatest, especially for that price point. Make sure you do read the reviews at Costco.com before you pick up this walking pad. I went over that a few times in my videos. This is from King Smith. Make sure you read the reviews on this. This is on clearance here at the warehouse, $399.97. And to the left, we have the stair climber from Echelon. I'm not too sure what was going on here at Costco this year, but I feel like a lot of their exercise equipment was low quality, low grade, just kind of pure junk in my opinion. But this one from Echelon was on clearance for $299.97. We're going to look up above. They dropped it in price. A manager special here, $190 closeout. Check out that 00 manager special. And finally, probably the best piece of equipment I've seen at Costco this year is the center dumbbells here. Now, this product was pretty nice, good quality. And at this price point, you really can't lose. They have the weights go down from 5 down to 30 pounds in 5-pound increments. Nice product, good quality. I like them a lot. Decent price. Oh, the clearance price is good. So here it is on clearance for $199.97. Amazing price. Okay, let's break up the video a little bit, head down to the home improvement section, show you a couple of great deals that I found there, and then we'll do a Gen Psaki. We'll circle back. I want to show you the Peloton bike as well. So let's take a walk down, see what we can find in the home improvement next. And now from Artica, we have their integrated LED pendant light, the Coda. Very popular light. The reviews are kind of online. It's a modern acquired taste. It looks amazing in person when it's on display. Very cool pendant light, 36 inches in length. The integrated LED is pretty cool. Adjustable height so you can pull it up or down. It's dimmable. It has 5 select light colors. You can choose from warm white all the way to cool white, which is pretty nice. On clearance for $49.97. They still have plenty of inventory at my warehouse. I do suspect this will drop even further in price. Now take a look at my cart as I'm moving the camera. You can see right there I did grab the Swedish dishcloths. Those are amazing. Why wasn't I told about these earlier? They're perfect for wiping down the counters, the tabletops. Amazing. Save money on your paper towels and grab those. Amazing. 10 out of 10 so far. I love them. Also, we have the Trek tumblers here. 40-ounce tumblers. Look at this price. Amazing. $9.97 from Simple Modern. That price is a steal. But make sure you watch my Costco video for tomorrow. We have the Thermoflask on clearance. And just up ahead from Center, we have their multi-gym. This comes with a 3-month Center membership. You link it right up to the app. It's compact. It has a decent quality to it. I'm not impressed. Has a 150-pound cast iron weight stack and has an upper lower body weight machine. Now this is a decent machine. It's just not comparable to what they had the following years. It's still a low grade machine in my opinion. Fairly cheap, but it's on clearance at this price point. It's not bad. $399.97. If it drops down to maybe $199, I would definitely buy it, but still kind of expensive in my opinion for what it is. And now from Land's End, we have the men's flannel-lined jeans available. These are pretty nice. They did have them available at one point at Costco.com, but they're no longer available. They do have some leftover Land's End button-down shirts on clearance at Costco.com for $12.97. Great price. Here at the warehouse, the jeans are $19.97. And then directly behind me, let me spin around, we have the Banana Republic. Now these are the men's heritage shirt jacket. Very nice jacket here. It's also available at Costco.com for the same price. They only have the small and medium left. Here at the warehouse, a few sizes left as well. Also the small and the medium. Pretty much same sizes here at the warehouse and Costco.com. Regular fit, full button closure from top to bottom here. $19.97. Amazing price. Nice jackets. I do like them a lot. Now, I do like to mention if it's available at Costco.com because often Costco likes to run promotions. If you buy 4, you can save $10. If you buy 5, you can save $20. Maybe you need other things besides jeans or shirts. Maybe you need socks or underwears. Now, right now, currently, if you buy 5 items, you can save $20. We have the Puma Kids track set, $14.97. It's the same price at Costco.com. Also on clearance there as well. And if you buy 5, you can save $20. And I know a lot of you have been waiting for this moment. We have the Peloton bike with an extended warranty as a 23.8 full HD rotating touchscreen. Pretty nice, compact, 4x2 footprint. Has that auto resistant, a 48-month protection plan, and it does come with an all-access membership. Here it is at the warehouse, finally on clearance. It's not that much off, but it is a good savings, $1,799.97. If you are in the market for a Peloton, maybe try Marketplace first. Try pre-owned before you spend all that money. Okay, and now we have the Premier Protein, the chocolate mint and acquired taste, 30 grams of protein, 160 calories, 1 gram of sugar, and we do get 18 bottles per box here. It's finally on clearance. Decent price, nothing great, $26.97. Here it is. Each bottle is 11 fluid ounces. I did forget to mention that. $26.97. And now from Weatherproof Vintage, I did show this the other day in my Costco online clearance deal, but here it is at the warehouse, a little bit cheaper, only $4.97 here at the warehouse. A nice wool blend, has mesh ventilation, and these are moisture wicketing. We have the black available, and we have the multicolor, same thing as Costco.com. Fit shoe sizes 6 through 12. These are outdoor crew socks, $4.97. At Costco.com, they're $9.97. And if possible, could you let me know in the comments section if you enjoy or do you find value when I mention if the product is available at Costco.com for less or equal the price. I know a lot of us live a little bit further away from Costco, some of us closer, some of us further away, and some of us do have disabilities, making it harder to get there. We have the Kirkland Signature Socks, $6.97. So if possible, leave me a comment. Let me know if you find value. That way I can continue to add that valuable information in the videos. So here we have the Lego Good Fortune for the ages of 9+, 1,021 pieces. But the one thing it's missing is those lucky 8s. Is this still a buy at $59.97? Leave a comment below for this one as well. And as I was walking around, I found hidden in the corner at Costco, we have by the fire exit, we have the cat tree, the kingdom here. This is a pretty tall tree, 78 inches in height, 8 different levels, 2 different condos. Pretty popular treehouse, great reviews online. You can check it out. If you can't find it, you can always head over to Instacart. You can probably find it there if you look at the Costco page. Lots of specs here. Pretty nice condo. A lot of people love it. Great reviews, as I mentioned. Even has a scratch post built into it. Now, this is on clearance. I don't remember the original price. I would have to go back and look, but it's on clearance, $79.97. We also have the chenille noodle bath mat. Let's go have a look at that. Here it is. All they have left is the cream color, 24 by 36, 100% polyester pile. Now this is a loop noodle, anti-slip backing. Pretty cool product. Great reviews. A lot of great reviews on this mat. I do like it myself. I like the texture of it. Pretty cool looking. I should have opened one up for you, but I didn't. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyways, you can have a pretty nice look at it. $9.97. Nice price here. 24 by 36. Anti-slip backing as well. And now from OXO, we have their cookie press, a very popular product. I did pick it up myself, but I never used it yet. Anyway, it's a 20-piece set, 18 cookie disc, 1 storage case, and 1 press. The original price, I believe, was $25, and now it's down to $9.97. So from $25 down to $9.97, I believe that's 60% off. Leave a comment below. Am I right? Am I wrong? $9.97 for the cookie press. And now to my right, for Miyu, we have their measuring cups and spoons. These are stainless steel. Now the measuring cups have a nice, beautiful copper outside. The handles are riveted on. Beautiful set, $12.97. A steal in my opinion. Beautiful set. Now to my left, we have the Kamenstein Spice Rack. You get 5 years of free spice refills, but you do have to pay for the shipping fee, so keep that in mind. A lot of people say it's not worth it. 20-jar spice rack here. Nice set. Original price, I believe, was about $35. It's down to $14.97. If you do want to watch the full video where I'm not filming so fast on these products, go back 1-2 videos ago. I show all these products very slowly and go over them in depth. And a price drop on the Tupperware, we have the Heritage 16 container, 32 pieces in total. Now this is a price drop, $10 more down. The original clearance price, $49.97. It's down to $39.97. Not much left. If you do have this and you are in the market for it, great price at $39.97. That's about 50% off the original price. The Tupperware 32-piece Heritage food set. All right, friends, I guess I am going to end the video here. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. We love making Costco and Amazon videos, showing you the best deals every week. Also, don't forget, friends, tomorrow will be my first BJ's Wholesale Club video. Make sure you watch that tomorrow. We have some amazing clearance deals I do want to show you there. So make sure you watch tomorrow's video. Don't forget. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Thank you for watching. Peace.